We'll be hosting our family Christmas dinner party, and this is how we prepare. And we don't have that much big space, so we're going to squeeze in. So this is gonna be our table for our desserts. And on this another table, this is gonna be our table for main dishes. And we also set some tables for the families so they will be comfortable while they're eating. And this is it. And we are ready for our family Christmas dinner party. Merry Christmas everyone, and have a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.